Alrighty, let's see what we got here. This one's going to be for New Jersey once again. Alrighty. It's going to be southeast of Trenton, it looks like. This will be for 60-mile-per-hour winds. Moving east at 30 miles per hour for Ocean, northeastern Burlington, and south central Monmouth counties in New Jersey. Toms River, Lakewood, Jackson, Lumberton, Beechwood, Presidential Lakes Estates, Seaside Heights, Lakehurst, Pemberton, Wrightstown, Manalocking, Six Flags Theme Park, Cassville, Vista Center, Presidential Lakes, Brick Township, Whiting, Pine Ridge at Crestwood, Jobstown, and Leisure Village West Pine Lake Park are all in the path of the storm. So, definitely a decent wind bag for sure. Make sure to get into a sturdy structure. Shelter yourself from the wind and any small hail that is out there, and stay safe.